नमस्कार हजुरहरुको अगाडि फेरि म उपस्थित भएकी छु अपर्णा गुरुङ दार्जिलिङबाट र आजको मेरो विषय छ कोभिड-19 सेनाहरूलाई सलाम। र तपाईहरुसँग म एउटा सानो कुरा बाँड्न चाहन्छु। बिफोर अ वीक को कुरा, I was going through this mood bloom which is just because of this home quarantine, which is quite probable. And when I was flipping the news channels, all of a sudden I came across this very brave child who had wrote a letter to our superheroes who have been serving our country to fight against this pandemic and viral disease COVID-19. And that moment was really an awe moment for me, as well as I was so inspired by that child that from the very next day I also wrote a letter to our superheroes thanking them, but unfortunately I couldn't upload in social media. So today I finally able to share with you all, and I would like to thank Pratibha Kukhoj who gave me this opportunity to execute it. So here I would like to share with you all this letter, and beforehand I would like to say that this is not a copy paste. I have written it with a genuine feeling from the core of my heart. So here I go. Dear brave healers, not all heroes wear capes. I love this saying now more than ever, as we all know right now. People are paranoid, scared, but our superheroes are spending their days and nights fighting the coronavirus pandemic, wreaking havoc over our entire society. Thank you to doctors, nurses, emergency medical technicians, hospitals administrators, and other health care professionals, government officials as well, grocery store clerks, truck drivers filling those grocery stores with goods, for continuously putting themselves at risk to save our lives. Dear police, when whole world is facing crisis but you are out there keeping things normal, thank you for maintaining law and order. Thank you underappreciated and underpaid jobs such as cleaners. You help shield our immune system from invisible predators and save lives by doing so. You shine above any celebrity or athlete. You all are true heroes. From thankful citizen Darjeeling. So here I would like to take a moment to thank every individual who are staying at home. You are not only saving your lives, but you are saving our lives as well. Thank you.